Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 15th, 2025, our system has classified Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 6.93% since we first advised purchasing Meta 8 days ago. This results in an average return of about 0.87% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock currently resides in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $661.38 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9.86% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 0.254% to 10.11%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 32.84% over the next year, with a potential return between 10.99% and 32.79%. This translates to a projected price range of $732.40 to $876.27 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta features the headline, Meta stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to hold accumulate after Monday trading session. The Meta stock price increased by 1.91% during the last trading day, rising from $647.49 to $659.88. It has now experienced gains for 6 consecutive days. Such a sustained increase is quite rare, and minor dips should be anticipated. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.20%, with a low of $625.10 and a high of $663.87. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 7.15% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also increased on the last day, coinciding with the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 9 million more shares traded than the previous day. Overall, 28 million shares changed hands for approximately $18.65 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $663.87, while the lowest was $387.10. Currently, the price is 0.60% or $3.99, below the 52-week high of $663.87, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, Meta Platforms, Inc. is in the spotlight as it prepares to release its fourth-quarter earnings. Analysts are largely optimistic, with many believing the company's substantial investments in artificial intelligence are beginning to show positive results. The anticipation surrounding its performance is heightened by the recent formation of war rooms aimed at analyzing China's DeepSeek AI platform, which highlights Meta's commitment to integrating advanced technologies to enhance user engagement and drive growth. As Meta leverages AI, it is addressing both increasing regulatory pressures and a stretched valuation, which could influence investor sentiment positively in the short term. Notably, recent forecasts project strong earnings per share and revenue growth, painting a bright picture ahead of the earnings call. Additionally, the potential closure of TikTok in the United States is seen as favorable for Meta, giving it an edge in attracting users. Over the long term, Meta's strategy to prioritize AI could solidify its position in the tech landscape, fostering continued investor confidence. If Meta successfully navigates these challenges, it could position the stock favorably for further gains, especially as the market appears bullish with a consensus price target exceeding $666. Overall, the upcoming earnings report may serve as a crucial indicator of Meta's path forward in a competitive tech ecosystem. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Meta a strong buy rating alongside a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo rated Meta as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank rated Meta as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research rated Meta as outperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Meta stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at $629.69 and $613.67. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 11.04%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger also shows a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 37 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 120 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 113 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $591.80 and $585.25. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Meta finds support just below today's level at $591.80. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $585.25 and $567.58. This stock is typically traded at a substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. Throughout the last day, the stock fluctuated by $38.77, which is a change of 6.2% between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.16%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 29th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.75. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $591.80. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 21st of January, 2025, Olive and Javier sold 413 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Newstead Jennifer sold 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 22nd of January, 2025, Zuckerberg Mark sold 22,946 shares of Class B common stock. On that same day, Zuckerberg Mark sold 1,489 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 22nd of January, Zuckerberg Mark sold 914 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 42.176. Overall, insiders purchased 95,535 shares and sold 236,786 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $635.99, reflecting a decrease of 3.62%. This stock exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, indicating a lower level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal derived from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these compelling enough to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold candidate or one to accumulate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 28th of January, we anticipate that Meta will open lower, approximately $10.26 down, starting at $649.62. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.